Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share with you all, a deep dive into the latest updates, confirmed specifications, and official leaks about DJI's highly anticipated upcoming drone, the DJI Neo2. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot, an aspiring aerial photographer, or simply a drone enthusiast who loves keeping up with the latest flying tech, this one's for you. While most of the tech world has been buzzing nonstop about big movie releases like Avatar 3, a significant development from DJI's drone lineup almost slipped by unnoticed. That is until sharp-eyed drone analyst Jasper Ellens caught something peculiar in a behind-the-scenes video clip shared by a drone cinematographer, Igor Bogdanov. In this blink and you'll miss it moment, something unusual appeared quietly in the background. A sleek, futuristic-looking drone, unfamiliar to the DJI family we've come to know. Zooming in carefully on the footage, the speculation began to swirl. Could this be a prototype of the DJI Neo2? And it wasn't just a passing resemblance. This drone featured two large top-mounted batteries, prominent white prototype labels, and perhaps the most striking visual, double-stacked propeller guards. These propeller guards signal a major design evolution compared to the original Neo. It seems DJI is rethinking the entire Neo platform from scratch, potentially building a more robust and advanced compact drone aimed at both recreational users and serious drone pilots. According to fresh reports and inside sources, the DJI Neo2 specifications may offer a noticeable leap forward compared to its predecessor. Let's break it down. Rumors indicate that DJI is optimizing the Neo2's battery system to deliver flight times between 20 to 25 minutes, a considerable upgrade from the original Neo's 18-minute limit. The big achievement here is that DJI seems committed to maintaining the Neo2's position in the sub-to-5 OG drone category, which is crucial for casual pilots who want to fly without complicated drone regulations. For those passionate about aerial photography and videography, this next update is a game-changer. Sources suggest the DJI Neo2 will likely feature a larger 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. This upgrade should significantly improve image sharpness, dynamic range, and low-light performance while keeping the drone compact and portable. Imagine capturing stunning evening cityscapes or vibrant nature scenes at dusk, all with a drone that still fits in your backpack. DJI is known for continuously pushing the envelope with intelligent flight modes, and the Neo2 appears to be no exception. It's expected to come equipped with smarter, AI-assisted flight features that can automatically track subjects, avoid obstacles, and possibly even offer gesture-based commands for easier piloting. There's also talk of DJI integrating a next-generation transmission system, potentially a scaled-down version of the O4, or an enhanced Wi-Fi solution designed to deliver more stable, longer-distance video feeds. As the pieces come together, it's becoming clear that the DJI Neo2 is positioned as a mid-tier powerhouse, appealing to drone enthusiasts who want cutting-edge features without stepping into the premium price zone of the Mavic series. Unlike DJI's Flip drone, which is marketed for entry-level users prioritizing extreme portability and ease of use, the Neo2 seems to be crafted for users who want better performance, higher quality aerial shots, and more robust technology. The original Neo already made a strong impression in the mid-range drone market with its solid flight stability, dependable transmission, and impressive photo capabilities. But if the Neo2 delivers on its rumored upgrades, improved battery life, enhanced camera sensor, and more refined flight controls, it could easily become one of the most attractive options for hobbyists and semi-professional drone pilots in 2025. It's not just the Neo2 that's stirring up excitement. DJI's rumored 2025 release roadmap looks packed, suggesting a big year ahead for drone fans. Leaked information points to multiple new releases, including the DJI Mini 5 series, which appears to target entry-level drone users looking for something affordable yet incredibly capable. According to insiders, DJI may launch the Mini 5 around the same time as the Neo2, an unusual strategy, since DJI typically spaces out their product launches. Should you wait for the Neo2 or pick up the current Neo? That decision will likely depend on your personal needs. The original Neo is still a fantastic mid-range drone that offers reliable performance. But for those who crave the latest tech and next-level features, waiting for the Neo2 might be the smarter move. Initially, there was concern about the design after early leaks showed awkward, cage-like propeller guards that seemed bulky and impractical. But new footage surfaced recently featuring the drone in real-world action, and things look a lot more promising now. The updated Mini 5 Pro sports a clean, foldable design with aerodynamic props and improved ventilation to enhance performance and cooling. The official launch date is confirmed, August 7, 2025. That's sooner than expected, and the excitement Is building fast? DJI Mini 5 Pro. Features and specifications. Let's break down what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro such a massive leap forward in the compact drone market. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to debut with a 1-inch sensor and enormous upgrade that will offer superior dynamic range, sharper detail, and stunning low-light capability. This kind of sensor is typically found in high-end drones, making its appearance in a sub-250 grams frame absolutely groundbreaking. Even better, the gimbal design appears to allow full 360-degree rotation, unlocking new creative opportunities for cinematic drone shots and adding to the versatility of this ultra-lightweight flying camera. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature DJI's advanced 3D infrared sensing system, including front-facing sensors that can detect obstacles up to 25 meters away. These sensors are expected to work efficiently even in low-light environments, providing a safer, smarter flying experience. One of the most exciting updates is the potential 50 to 55-minute flight time, thanks to a new 4,680 mAh battery, which significantly outpaces the battery life of its predecessors. Even the base battery is expected to deliver at least 45 minutes of flying, which is an incredible boost for this drone category. Gone are the days of fiddling with tiny screws. The Mini 5 Pro will likely feature quick-release propellers for faster setup and easier maintenance. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to use DJI's O for transmission system, offering up to 20 kilometers of range, ensuring crisp, lag-free video feeds even over long distances. The drone will likely be compatible with the R-seated controller, DJI's motion controller, and DJI Goggles 3 for immersive FPV flying. A convenient 32 gigabytes of internal storage is expected, providing backup space in case you forget your microSD card. DJI may also introduce voice command features and in-app audio recording, perfect for vloggers and YouTubers who want to narrate in real time. A unique addition could be a dedicated button that triggers pre-programmed cinematic flight modes without needing a remote controller. This feature would make capturing epic shots quicker and more intuitive. Price and release timeline. Expected pricing for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up as follows. Base package, approximately $850. Fly More combo, up to $1,200. These prices position the Mini 5 Pro squarely between the Mini 4 Pro and the more advanced Air 3S series. As mentioned, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to officially launch in September 2025. This timeline is backed by multiple trusted sources and leaked field testing footage. Between the upcoming DJI Neo2, the Mini 5 Pro, and the potential release of the Mini 5 and Mavic 4 series, 2025 is looking like a pivotal year for DJI. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a seasoned aerial cinematographer, DJI seems determined to deliver something for everyone. The Neo2 could easily become the go-to mid-range drone with its improved battery, upgraded camera sensor, smarter AI features, and thoughtful new design. Meanwhile, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to set a new standard for ultralight, portable drones with industry-leading camera quality and extended flight times.